know I got the receipts, girl. You know I got the receipts. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to ExpressVPN, friend of the channel and protector of my online data. They are giving away 3 months free on a 1-year package to all Sweet Pea Diaries viewers by using the link in the description box below. Now, this is a service that I personally use 100% of the time when I'm on the internet using my phone or computer. It allows me to bypass content restrictions while traveling and ensures all of my data is 100% private and safe wherever I connect to the internet. Using ExpressVPN also allows you to get discounts when using services like Expedia, NBA League Pass, and Netflix. ExpressVPN also has 24/7 customer support to answer any questions and support all of your needs. So take back your internet privacy today by clicking on the link in the description box below and find out how you can get 3 months free. Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Pea Diaries. It's your girl Sweet Pea and I'm back with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Sweet Pea Diaries. Be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Y'all know what time it is. All right, who we got in the chat? We got Chelsea Nicole, Susie Davis, my moderator, Monica Raina, my moderator, the Red Lipstick Hustler, Lily, Tasha K, Toxic, Maya, my member, Tina Wilson, Riverbend, Cocoa Butter Barbie, my moderator. And as you guys come in, please hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you know when I go live or when I upload a video. Welcome to the Sweet Pea Diaries. We would like to thank ExpressVPN for sponsoring this video. You guys click on the link below and check out ExpressVPN. They are the only VPN service to go with. Tell them that the Sweet Pea Diaries sent you and get on over there and get your discounts to Netflix, Game Pass, all that stuff. Go on over there and check out ExpressVPN. Now, we are here to talk about Tasha K filing her appeal. She has finally filed the appeal March 17th. She's filed an appeal. There is a judgment against her. She was found liable in her lawsuit with Cardi B, the defamation lawsuit. She was found liable and has to pay Cardi B $3.8 million. She has since said, I ain't got it. She's went on this campaign. The I ain't got it hashtag has been created. She has created merchandise. She's selling t-shirts. I ain't got it. She's selling merch. Hashtag I ain't got it. Even got the lawyer saying I ain't got it. Now, we don't think that this is cute. If you didn't have it, then you did have no business fool-la-la down there with Cardi B. When she told you to take the videos down, you should have taken the videos down. But she has filed an appeal, and we are here to talk about that. We're here to look at the official court documents. We are also here to look at the documents which show that she wants the evidence destroyed. Now, you have a certain time frame to come to the courthouse and pick up evidence that's been used in your trial. And she said, y'all can go ahead and destroy it. I want to destroy it. I don't even want it. I don't want it. I want you to destroy it. She got Olga down there signing paperwork saying to destroy evidence. I don't know why. I mean, wouldn't you want to use that in your appeal? But we'll get into it. What are the 4 steps to an appeal? Is this all that is needed to an appeal? So we're going to go over that tonight, all right? So let me share my screen. Now, this is the outside of Pacer. This is all, these are all of the dockets. This is everything that has been entered in this court case. We're able to see that they have their injunction hearing coming up, and that's going to be via Zoom, and it's going to be on April 1st. We will be in attendance. We're going to have a front row seat. All right. The injunction, what does that mean? An injunction, that means what she is going to be able to do as it pertains to Cardi B. Is she going to, going forward, she's already taken videos down, but is she going to be able to create content relating to Cardi B? Is it going to be where she can only speak about her like other bloggers? They can't take away her First Amendment right, freedom of speech. So they cannot say that she can't talk about Cardi B, that she can't make any reference to Cardi B. But they could put a gag order on her. They could prohibit her from talking about Cardi B as it pertains to the things that Cardi sued her for. In this case, I'm thinking that's the way that it's going to go. That, the beer bottle of private, cheating on Offset, the HPV, herpes conversation, all those things are not going to be allowed. She will be prohibited from those things. I know that for a fact. Those 4 subjects she will not be able to discuss on her channel or anywhere. Now, they can't take her, they can't say that she can't speak about Cardi B. That's against the Constitution. So that will not be done. But that's what the injunction will be. They will be meeting to discuss what she can do. Now, as far as an appeal, she filed an appeal on March 17th. So when she did that interview and she was talking to Kendall and them and said that, appeal's already been filed. That's not true. She just filed this appeal on the 17th. And she paid $505 to do so. The filing fee was $505. Now, here is the actual brief, all right? Well, not the brief, but the notice of an appeal. That's the first step. You have to file a notice with the court stating that you are intending to file an appeal. That's what this is. The above named defendants, Tasha K and KB Studios, appealed to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit from the final judgment entered on February 17th. Respectfully submitted this 17th day of March. That's this document here. I hereby certify that on March 17th, I electronically filed the foregoing defendant's notice of appeal with the clerk of court using the CMECF system, which will automatically send email notification of such filing to all of the attorneys of record. Right? Now, in this appeal, they are saying that enclosed are documents regarding an appeal in this matter. Please acknowledge receipt on the enclosed copy of this letter, certified copies of the notice of appeal, jury verdict, clerk's judgment, and docket sheet appealed enclosed. The court reporters are Andy Ashley and Juanette Blathers. There is sealed material in this case. The fee was paid with the receipt number. The district judge is William M. Ray II. This is not a death penalty appeal, okay? So that's not checked off because it's not that. It's just a little civil matter, okay? That you got to pay almost $4 million. So this is the paperwork that was submitted with this. Now, they asked you have to go down to the courthouse and your exhibits that you've entered in as evidence in your case, you either have a date to pick them up on, or you can have them destroyed. So receipt of this notice is hereby acknowledged by Olga. On March 10th, she stated that the exhibits can be destroyed. We don't want them. So the exhibits have been uploaded to the electronic file, which is in the official record of the court. So she's saying that the hard copies, we don't need them because They have been uploaded to the docket, and we can use the electronic versions. I mean, of course, the lawyers and everything, they have official copies of these things. They got the whole entire transcript. So why would we need the hard copies? You can go ahead and destroy that. We don't need to come down there and pick it up. However, audio and visuals, those are not destroyed. That is not destroyed. All right. So she said, gone. Now, any audio and video exhibits, they will be retained until after the time for appeal has expired, or appealed cases until entry of the appellate court's mandate. So they're saying we don't want it. All right. Now, what I need to know, what are you going to say I need to know what's going to be in that brief. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking forward to that brief that's going to be entered, because what you need to understand, when you file an appeal, there are actual steps to this, okay? Now, this is the first couple of steps. You file the appeal, you pay your filing fee. But what happens afterwards? What goes down in the interim? After a notice of appeal is filed, you pay the filing fee. Then you determine if and when additional information must be provided to the appeals court as part of opening your case. In some states, appellants must file a separate document with administrative information at the same time or shortly after filing a notice of appeal. For example, in Maryland, you must file a civil appeal information report within 10 days of filing your notice of appeal. Now, step 4, you have to order the trial transcripts. Typically, the appeals court will need to review the trial transcripts, which are the written record of the trial. It is the appellant's responsibility to order and pay for the transcripts. So that's going to be another $13.99. Usually, transcripts are ordered through the trial court reporter. Check with the trial court clerk's office to determine the process for your state. Now, here are some key points to keep in mind. Transcripts are expensive. They are typically charged based on the number of pages, and therefore the cost is determined by the length of the trial. Check to see if your state offers transcript fee waivers based on income like honey, you can be found eligible based on your income if you can afford to pay or not pay to get these transcripts. If so, you will need to complete the required forms to request the waiver, which often includes a financial statement that proves your income. Next, you need to check with the trial court and or the appellate court clerk about any deadlines related to the transcripts. You have to check with the appellate court as to whether you need to file any paperwork confirming that you have ordered the transcripts. You need to check with the appellate court to ask if you must provide a copy of the transcript to the appealee. Do you need to give it to Cardi B as well? All right. Hey, Monica, what's going on with Marva? Why was she timed out? She is a supporter. Did you time her out by accident? Because she should not have been timed out. That Marva, if you're listening, I think Monica timed you out by accident. She was saying, hey, Marva, and then I see it was, because you just asked her how she feels. So, Marva, that's an accident. I think, you sometimes the button, it does some weird things. So we did not mean to time you out, Marva. All right. So step 5, you need to confirm that the record has been transferred to the appellate court. The trial court will typically put together the record, usually after the transcripts are completed, and send it to the appeals court. The record includes all of the documents connected to your case, including the transcripts. While it is usually the lower court's responsibility to ensure that the record is transferred, it's a good idea for you to contact the appellate court clerk's office to check on the status of the transfer. Step 6, you must determine what must be filed with your brief. In most cases, the appellant's brief must include select portions of the record that support your position to make it easier for the appeals court to determine whether or not it agrees with your arguments. It could be included as attachments to the brief itself, or you may have had to put it in a separate document that gets filed along with the brief. So what this means is you have to submit your position as to why you are filing an appeal. And you need to put the brief together and submit it to the appeals court. I told you guys this in the previous video. There have to be reasons for your appeal. There has to be some type of negligent, something that went wrong during the trial. You have to be citing something specific. It cannot just be your argument that you should have not been found guilty and that you ain't got it. You can't go before the appeals court and say, I'm appealing because I'm stalling because I ain't got it. You can't not like the verdict and want to appeal. It might sound good to YouTube and to the people out in the streets that support Tasha K, but that is not how it works in the court of law. You need to determine when your brief must be filed. There's a briefing schedule. Usually, that could be 30 days from the triggering event to file an opening brief. The appealee has 30 days from the time the opening brief is filed to file his or her brief. The appellant has 15 days from the date the appealee's brief is filed to file a reply brief. So once Tasha K files hers, now Cardi B has 30 days from the time Tasha filed hers to say why she should not be granted an appeal. So do not think that this is just in Tasha K's court. Cardi B absolutely will have a say-so in this as well. Hi, Laverne. All right. You need to check the length and formatting requirements for the brief. You need to write your brief. Now, generally, an appellant's first brief, the opening brief, will require a description or list of the errors you believe the trial court made, a statement of the facts of the case that would be necessary for the appellate court judges to understand your arguments. The facts must have been presented during the trial or at some point during the litigation. They cannot reference new information. If possible, there should be a reference to the specific parts of the record that establish the facts, which usually would be written in parentheses after each fact. For example, the appellee admitted to placing a GPS on the appellant's car, and you need to put it in parentheses what part of the transcript that refers to. Your arguments explaining why and how the trial court made each error your appeal is based on needs to be supported by citations relevant to the case law. And then a concluding request that the appellate court overturn the court's order. So those are the things that need to happen when she submits her brief. I told you guys this. We spoke about this in our previous video. There has to be errors made in this case. You cannot just not like the verdict and you ain't got it, and that's why you are appealing. You have to have specific arguments. You have to prove how the trial court made their errors. Now, Cardi B's brief will genuinely require a counter statement of facts that would be necessary for the court to understand the appellee's arguments as to why the trial court's decision was correct. The facts must be supported by references to the record as shown above. The appellee's arguments explaining how each of the appellant's arguments is incorrect and why the trial court's decision is correct, supported by citations to the relevant case law. A concluding request that the appellate court agree with the trial court's order. Now, what do you think Cardi B is going to have in her brief? She's going to show examples of Tasha K on the internet stating, I ain't got it. Hashtagging, I ain't got it. Selling, I ain't got it merchandise. At her birthday dinner with her lawyer standing up in attendance, I ain't got it. That is not a reason to appeal. They're going to show examples that Tasha K still continues to taunt and tease Cardi B, and the fact that Tasha K stated that there would need to be a gag order inflicted upon her in order for her to stop talking about Cardi B as it pertains to the herpes, HPV, putting the beer bottle, cheating on Offset. The court specifically asked her during the trial, would they need to make her stop? And she said yes. So these are the things that they are going to show during this appeal. So this has to be done. This brief has to be written, and then the court will make a decision if they will even hear this appeal. Now, an appellant's reply brief, if the appellant chooses to file one, will require any additional facts necessary to address the appealee's arguments, your arguments responding to the appealee's arguments, but without repeating arguments from your opening brief if possible. So what that means is once Cardi B puts her brief out, Tasha will then be able to rebuttal that and say why her arguments are sufficient. And she cannot repeat what is in her previous opening brief. She has to come with new facts as to why Cardi B's arguments stand. So there is a lot involved in an appeal, okay? It's a lot involved in an appeal. It is not just going in front of the court stating, I'm making an appeal because I don't have the money. It does not work like that. I ain't got it. I ain't got it, John. I ain't got it, bitch. It doesn't work like that. If you did not have the money, I don't know why people thought that she had the money. I don't know why you guys thought she was a millionaire. She does not have the money. It is obvious. Okay. A $3.8 million judgment would mean that she would have to pay Cardi B through her YouTube earnings and whatever else it is that she does as it pertains to Kiwi Studios, whether it's material, Patreon, her website, whatever it is, whatever income that she makes from these endeavors, it will have to be used to pay Cardi B. So $3.8 million, roughly $4 million, you will be paying her back for the rest of your life. I ain't got it, bitch. I ain't got it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my goodness. When is this woman going to stop? I told you to leave Cardi B alone. When are you going to stop it? I told you to stop it, Tasha. I told you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Shut! What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You should have stopped me. Oh, I don't got it, Cardi. I ain't got it, bitch. I ain't got it. I ain't got it. Cardi said, nah, I don't care, baby. I want my money. Bitch better have my money. I don't care. I want my money. I don't care. I told you to leave me alone. I told you to leave me alone. Bitch, I'm going to the Dominican. Come on, Kata. Come on, mommy. We're going to the plane. Come on, mommy, daddy. Come on, Kata. Go get your packing bag. Go get your Barbies. Come on, mommy, daddy. We're going to the Dominican. Let's go. Shit. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This woman, she don't stop it. She just won't stop. You won't stop. How do you know that? How do you know? How do you know that you don't know if that woman is cheating on her husband? I told you to leave her alone. I told you, but you don't listen. And now the bitch running around. I ain't got it, bitch. I ain't got it. Thinking that shit is cute. None of that shit is cute, in my opinion. Oh, but it was given. She had it. The wino said, "Oh, that ain't nothing but a quick million. Tasha got that, honey. She got that in the backyard. She got that in the suitcase. Bitch, Tasha is down there trying to, bitch. What the fuck? What the fuck? How much is this shit? How much is this? How much is this? Bitch, I ain't got it." Shit. How much was it? What's it say? Bitch, go and hit up some some goddamn oodles and noodles. Don't you see me over here figuring out the bills? We ain't got it. We ain't got it, bitch. DoorDash. We ain't fucking with DoorDash. Go eat up them goddamn oodles and noodles. Go make a goddamn peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Fucking asking me about some goddamn DoorDash. DoorDash. We ain't got no goddamn money. DoorDash. Where the fuck is Olga? Olga. What? I thought I told you. Bitch, I thought I told you to file that goddamn appeal. You waited till the 17th. I'm around here telling people I fucking filed an appeal. The 17th. We ain't got it, Olga. We ain't got it. I had to scrounge up $500 just to file a goddamn appeal. Fucking super chats. Where's my fucking super chats and my goddamn cash apps? Chelsea. Chelsea, did you put the goddamn PayPal information on the video? Cardi said, bitch better have my money. Hey, bitch better have my money. Arriba! Hey, let's go. Hey, Kocha, mommy gonna get you some chicken next. Mommy got you the chicken feed, baby. You can have all the chicken necks in the chicken feed. Yes, Kocha. She around there fixing Offset sandwiches and shit. They down there eating ham and cheese sandwiches. Shit. She was turning them cans and bottles in, bitch, honey. She was around there going down there to the church to see if they got it. They ain't got them lines open yet. I'm going down to the church to see if I can get me some goddamn canned goods. Got Olga filing briefs and trying to fit and find a fish place, right? Honey, we doing a fish fry. Bitch, we're having a motherfucking fish fry on the 15th. We're going to be frying up some whiting, some catfish, and some goddamn tilapias. We're around here frying up tilapias, catfish, and the motherfucking whiting, okay? We might have some goddamn salmon on the goddamn menu. All right? It's all the corner. Shaq, you gonna get that goddamn red snapper. I know you're gonna get us some rice and some red beans. TK Hawking, copper piping, child. Oh. I'm around here pushing buttons and the empty cans to cash it. Child. Right. Fuckery Friday is now Fish Fry Friday. We're gonna turn Fuckery Friday. From now on, Fuckery Friday is known as Fish Fry Friday, bitch. Fish Fry Friday. We're around here selling fish plates. We're selling fish sandwiches, fish platters, and you're gonna get you a piece of fish and 2 sides. It's Fish Fry Fridays. Better go get it. Tasha going to jail. Y'all crazy. I told you to leave me alone, bitch. I told you to take them videos down. Bitch, I told you to take the videos down. Oh my God. God, you ain't have to do me like that, bitch. You had to do me like that. You know I ain't got no motherfucking money. Bitch, you ain't had to. You know I was just, Cardi, I was just motherfucking playing. You know I was just motherfucking playing. You know I cannot get in front of these people and tell them that I'm taking the video down. You cannot do it behind the scenes, Cardi. Just let me ease it on down. You know I can't get in front of these people and embarrass myself like that, Cardi. Can you call me? Can you call me, girl? Can we make it right? Tasha, it's no sense of you doing it now. It's no sense of you gravitating now. No sense of you gravitating now. I told you to leave that girl alone. I told you we don't have any money. I'm going to Africa. I'm leaving you. I'm going to Africa as soon as I can. I'm getting away from you. I'm telling you, I'm going to Africa. I'm going. I'm on my way. I'm going. The first hut I can find, I'm buying it. The first hut I can find, I'm buying it. I'm getting out of here. I'm telling you, I'm going. I'm going to get my spare on you. Listen, all of my African People, I love you. This is just jokes, okay? This is just jokes. I told you not to put them goddamn chiclets in your mouth. We don't have it. You're going down, you're buying chiclets, you're putting the chiclets in your mouth. We don't have it. We don't have the money. You're spending money on chiclets. I told you not to put the chiclets in your mouth. Shit, my family, they don't like you. They don't like you. They told me to leave you. I should have listened. I should have listened to them. I should have listened to them. God damn it. I should have been left you. I woke up just to hear you impersonate. Y'all know I have to do it, honey. A false tea Friday, fish fry. Michelle said false tea Friday, fish fry Friday, and foo-foo Fridays. Child, I'm with it. Foo-foo Friday. That's what Shaq, you got the foo-foo. You're going to bring the foo-foo. You're going to bring the foo-foo to the fish Friday. Child, wear gold shoes and get a discount at the Tasha K live fry. We can't get jiggy with this shit. We can't get jiggy with this shit. We don't got the money. Y'all ain't shit. It is False Tea Friday. Y'all ain't shit. It is False Tea Friday. It is Foo-Foo Friday, child. Oh, what's going on with my messages? I can't put them up. I can't put it. Oh, I can't put it up. Oh, what happened? I can't put it up. Sometimes it don't work for me. Sometimes my messages, it don't work. I don't know. Tasha, stop trying to put your voodoo on me. Don't you put your voodoo? Don't try to put your voodoo. Come on, Kata, we going. We going on the plan. We won the judgment. Let's go. Mommy got $3.8 million. Yeah. Let's go. We going to the Dominican. We got a big house over there. Daddy bought it. That's right. Fupa Friday. Bitch, I'm dead. Fupa Fridays. Bitch, let me lift this shit on up and put that money up. I ain't got any money. Any money fall up under that bitch? Let me check under my fufa and see if any money fell up under that bitch. I know I put some fucking $10 around here somewhere. Bitch, I know. Where the fuck is that $10? I know it's under here somewhere. Y'all are crazy. Yes, he did marry a fool. He married a fool. Yes, indeed he did. He married someone that has pride and does not want to, admit in front of the public that she was wrong and that her pride got the best of her. And she just took the videos down and went on about her business. Now this is a $3.8 million mistake. That's a hell of a mistake. That is a hell of a price to pay for your pride, okay? This is a prime example of a pride comes before a fall. Did you see Olga join in? Yeah, when she did I Ain't Got It. Absolutely, I sure did. And that's why I said that's what they're going to use that. They're going to use that at the hearing. They're going to say, you got your lawyers down here talking about you ain't got it. None of this is funny at all, ma'am. If you did not have it, why did you engage in this behavior? But she has admitted, she has said to the court, you're going to have to put a gag order on me. You're going to have to make me stop talking about Cardi B. So that's what they're going to do. They're going to make her stop talking by putting a gag order in place. They're going to make her stop talking. So this is all I have, you guys. This is the update. What do you guys think is going to be said at this injunction? What do you think that it's going to be given? Do you think that they're going to tell Tasha K that she cannot fool around with this type of rhetoric on her YouTube channel that she's not able to speak about the herpes, HPV, insinuate that these things are true, that, she cheated on her husband. What is she going to be allowed to do as it pertains to blogging going forward in the celebrity space pertaining to Cardi B? But I seen that she's down there Fool La La, and it looks like she wants to try to get back into her Wendy bag. And we may have some exclusive tea on that with Kevin Hunter. So be on the lookout for that, because it looks like because she cannot use Cardi B anymore, that she wants to try to get back into her Wendy bag and exploit Wendy. You see that she had Kevin's his live on her backup channel, was making money from that. So we're gonna see. We have some exclusive tea coming up with that, and just be on the lookout for it, you guys. So you guys be sure to like this video, share the video. Most importantly, be sure to subscribe. I'm getting up out of here. I've been at this all night. I'm getting ready to go eat dinner. So you guys, we've broken down this appeals process. There is more to an appeal than just saying I ain't got it. Unfortunately, that is not a basis for an appeal. Okay, you have to have errors in your case. There has to be reasons why you are filing it. There has to be some errors that the court made during this trial. There could not be new circumstances that you are bringing to the court's awareness that you're wishing to appeal for. It cannot because you don't like the verdict. These are not reasons for an appeal. So she's going to have to pay Cardi B. It might not be today. It might not be 2 months. But God damn it, you watch. She's going to have to pay Cardi B. Should have took the videos down. So you guys be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Go on and click on the link below and check out ExpressVPN. Thank you for being a proud sponsor of the Sweet Pea Diaries. I'm getting on up out of here, you guys. Bye. Good night. Yeah, because if I...
Check that mic, make sure it sound right.